Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a door handle with lock. First, gather your essential tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a tape measure. Make sure you have the correct replacement door handle and lock set. It's crucial to confirm the new handle's backset measurement, which is often 2 3/8 inches or 2 3/4 inches. Matches your door's existing bore hole for a proper fit. Now let's remove the old handle. Begin by locating and removing the 2 visible screws on the interior side of your existing door handle. Once these are out, carefully pull apart the 2 halves of the handle, separating the interior and exterior components. Finally, remove the latch mechanism from the edge of the door by unscrewing its 2 small screws and then slide it out. Next, we'll install the new latch and exterior handle. First, insert the new latch mechanism into the door's edge, making sure the bevel of the latch faces the door frame for proper closing. Secure it firmly with the 2 provided screws, ensuring it sits flush with the door's edge. Then, slide the exterior handle into place, carefully aligning its spindle with the latch mechanism's opening. Finally, let's secure and test your new handle. Attach the interior handle, ensuring all components, including the spindle and mounting posts, align correctly. Insert and tighten the 2 main screws firmly, but be careful not to over-tighten them, as this can damage the mechanism. Test the lock and handle operation multiple times, checking for smooth turning, locking, and unlocking functionality to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.